Most people wait until their 40s or 50s before they start seriously thinking about building wealth. But let me tell you something. If you start in your 20s or 30s, you can set yourself up to be financially free, while others are still stuck at their 9-to-5 jobs. Today, I'm breaking down how to build wealth step by step, even if you're starting with little money. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal a powerful wealth-building strategy that could make you a millionaire before you hit 40. First, let's talk about mindset. Your 20s and 30s are the foundation years. If you believe wealth is only for the lucky or born rich, you'll never take action. Understand this. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about choices. Develop a growth mindset by learning about money. Read books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Follow personal finance creators instead of wasting hours on mindless scrolling. Surround yourself with people who talk about business and investments, not just parties and gossip. Now let's talk about money coming in. You can't build wealth if you're barely surviving. The truth is, cutting lattes won't make you rich. Increasing your income will. Here's how. Negotiate your salary or move to a higher paying job. Start a side hustle like freelancing, content creation, or e-commerce. Learn high income skills such as copywriting, coding, digital marketing, or investing. Pro tip, every extra $500 you earn can be invested to grow your future wealth. Here's a hard truth. It doesn't matter how much you make if you spend it all. You need to control lifestyle inflation, that urge to spend more as you earn more. Practical tips. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investments. Automate your savings so you never see the money you're putting aside. Avoid debt traps like credit card balances. They'll keep you broke. Here's where most young people miss out. Your 20s and 30s are your superpower years for investing because of compound interest. If you invest just $300 per month starting at age 25, and it grows at 10% annually, you'll have over $1 million by the time you retire. If you wait until age 35 to start, you'll have less than half that. Beginner-friendly investments, index funds or ETFs, safe and steady growth. Retirement accounts like 401k or Roth IRA stocks or REITs. If you're ready to research, invest early. Let your money work for you. Building wealth isn't just about growing money, it's about protecting it. Here's how. Build a 3-6-month emergency fund to cover unexpected events. Get health and life insurance to protect yourself and your family. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Most millionaires have multiple income streams. Don't just rely on one paycheck. Build at least 3 streams of income. Ideas include investments, dividends, interest, side businesses, online stores, content creation, passive income like rental properties or digital products. This protects you if one income source disappears. If you start now, even with just a little, your future self will thank you. Building wealth in your 20s and 30s is the smartest decision you can make. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.